Hi, welcome to COM125 Interpersonal Communication. My name is Marlene Adzima and I will be your instructor for this course. Welcome to the class. I'm super excited to have you here and I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you around the course. So every week when you log into the course, you want to start here on the Course Home tab. Our weekly content runs Monday through Sunday each week. So every Monday you want to make sure that you come here and log into the course home page. Under this announcement each week, you'll see all the content for that week, any pertinent information, links to any content, and so you want to make sure that you read this entire announcement each week. Once you've read the weekly announcement, you can click on the Content tab. And you'll see here, if you look at the table of contents on the left here, our course is divided into weekly modules. So we have a 14-week course, and then we have this week 0, which is basically our introductory week. So our course actually opens Monday, August 26th in terms of content being due, but the shell is open starting August 19th. And this first week just gives you an opportunity to poke around the course, watch this video, make sure you read the syllabus, make sure you read the discussion guidelines, and basically just get to know the course. You'll also have an opportunity to introduce yourself to your classmates, so you want to make sure you complete this week 0 discussion prompt during that first week. And you'll see here there is a to-do list each week. So make sure you click on that to-do list. It's repeated from the announcement each week, but it's a nice reference to have within the weekly module. And then to get back to the Content tab, just click here on week 0 or whatever week you're on, and it'll take you back to the Content tab. Each week is set up the same way. So you'll see at the top, there'll be a to-do list, and then you'll see the discussion question and any other content that might be due that week. So that's the Content tab. One other thing I did want to say about this is you may have already found this module since you're watching this video, but make sure you take a look at this Start Here module this week. You can learn a little bit about the course and about me, and the link to the syllabus and the video is also in there. This is the class list button. So when you click on this tab, it essentially will take you to a list of everyone in the class. Probably the most important thing about this is if you want to email anybody, you can internally message through D2L. So you can see here's my name. I'm generally at the top because my last name begins with an A. And if you click on internal messaging, it'll send me a message through the internal email in D2L. So this email operates within D2L, but you can't email outside of D2L using this. You'll see a little red or orange circle here if you have a message. So if I'm sending you any kind of email, you'll get a notification there. So make sure that you're aware of that and keep an eye on that. Next is the link to the discussions. I have the discussions linked in each content module, so that week's discussion is linked, but you can also find it under the discussions tab. So you'll see here all the weekly discussions. Sometimes students like to read ahead and look at what discussion is coming up. There's also content about how the discussions run here. Basically, our discussions run weekly Monday through Sunday, with your first post due by Wednesday each week, and then 2 classmate responses or peer responses due by Sunday. Next is the Assignments tab. Here you'll see links to all the assignment submission folders. Any attachment is an assignment description, and I generally will have this located here, and I will also link it in the weekly module. So that is repetitive, but it gives you an opportunity to access the assignment description in 2 different ways. When you're ready to submit an assignment, you click on the folder here or in the weekly module, and then you just add a file. So you can just go in there and pull a file off of your computer and upload it. I do prefer written assignments to be in a Word document format or a PDF, so please submit them that way. And you can see here, if you go back to content, if you have an assignment due, you'll see the link here. So that's the same assignment here. All that's doing is linking you back to that same folder, and you can just submit it here. So 2 ways to submit it. It ends up in the same place though. So that's that. Next is the link to the quizzes. And again, the quizzes are linked in the weekly module content, but they're also located here. Quizzes are open until the due date. You have one opportunity to complete each quiz as well as the final, and there are quiz reviews and a final exam review on the content page. Finally, here is a link to your grades. So you'll be able to see all of your grades in the course along with your cumulative grade thus far up top. And I do try to stay as current as I can with this, and generally we'll grade assignments weekly. Sometimes with longer written assignments it might take me a couple of weeks. Those are the overviews of the most important tabs that we'll use in this class. Please feel free to reach out with me if you have any questions at all. I'm excited to have you here and look forward to a great semester.